All right, guys, today is update number 4 for Norseman beard products and year of the beard. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, and gear tips, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to be taking a look at 2 scent profiles from Norseman beard products for update number 4 and year of the beard. What is year of the beard? It is 12 companies, 12 months. Each company gets their own month, their products only going in this beard. So today we're going to be taking a look at 2 scents from Norseman. So the first one we're going to talk about, oh, you like my addition up there? That may give away one of the scents. But we're going to be taking a look at, first we're going to talk about Well of Urd. I guess you say that right. Ingredients are the same as all the other beard oils from Terry, and that is 100% organic cold pressed sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and castor oil. Scent profile on this scent is black fig and honey. Get a little shake. Now it's the same consistency as all the other oils. That castor is really thick and it's kind of a lighter yellow color. And I'm not used to the fig, but that's what you get out of bottle. And then when you warm it up is when you get that honey, and it's just that sweet honey. It smells really good. Now it does take a little bit of getting used to for me because I'm not used to that fig. It's just a really unique and different scent profile, but it smells really good. So yeah, Well of Urd, if you say that right. All right, so the next one is Frisor, and that is barbershop. So my addition up here, let's see. Okay, we got it turned on. All right, so this one, if you hadn't figured out, is barbershop. This one is old time barbershop. Now we have this one in oil and in butter. So let's get a little shake. And that is your classic barbershop, and it smells so good. Absolutely love this scent. This scent lasted, oil and butter, it lasted all day. It started fading out at the end of my day, but you could still get hints of it. The butter, again, just like all the others, just super, super creamy. Butter smells just like the oil. It smells so good. So that is Frisor. I know I butchered it, but bear with me. Smells so good. If you like a barbershop scent, this is one of those up there in the top that I've tried. It just smells so good. I can't get enough of it. All right, guys, those are the 2 scents we're talking about today. Both of them did amazing for my beard. So don't forget promo code Year of the Beard, YOTB 25, to save you 25% through the month of March from Norseman. Now, in a few days, we're gonna have a finale video for Norseman, and I'm gonna talk about all the scents, overview of how they did for my beard for the course of the month. I'm gonna rank these scents. I think there's 6, 7, 8 scents that he sent me. I'm gonna rank these as to being my favorite to being my least favorite. However, I did like them all, but we're gonna rank these. So make sure to stay tuned for that final video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I drop that video. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless. A follow-up finale video.